What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain A380 once again with my last aircraft review. This time, Air Canada AIRBUS A320. Now, I don't know what scale this is, but I'll give you a tour of the aircraft. There's no registration. First, starting with the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. There are no PO tubes on the stack port of the aircraft. But Air Canada is a member of Star Alliance. The Air Canada livery. 2 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the wings of the A320 down towards the tail section, the tail, and the Canadian maple leaf. The APU, that you can see right there very nicely. On the horizontal stabilizers, there are a pair of lights that illuminates the tail as the aircraft is taxiing for takeoff and for landing at night. And well, I'll take you on to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The maple leaf. No registration, which was a total disappointment from Skymarks, but Skymarks, do me a favor. Put registrations on all the planes that you do. Don't be in a rush to get them out to the store in time. Just put the registration on all the planes that you do. Alright? Come on the wings. Up towards the starboard side of the aircraft. And that's it. Air Canada serves numerous destinations here in the States alone. Detroit Wayne County International Airport in Detroit, Michigan. Minneapolis World Chambers International Airport in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Chicago O'Hare, Cleveland Hopkins International Airport, Philadelphia International Airport in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Newark Liberty International Airport, Newark, New Jersey, New York John F. Kennedy International Airport, Queens, New York, New York LaGuardia, Boston Logan, National Airport, Reagan, BWI, Washington Dulles, Charlotte Douglas International Airport, Atlanta Hartsfield, Orlando McCoy Field, Miami International Airport, Tampa, Fort Lauderdale, New Orleans, Dallas-Fort Worth, Chicago, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Portland, and Seattle, and Anchorage, Alaska. So, I'll give you a little review. Well, from above, from a bird's eye view of the aircraft, come around on this side, and around on this side. Okay, that's it for this aircraft review. I just would like to say thank you very much for watching. See you next time.